Open, open. I open the window. Close, close. I close the door. Move, move. I move the chair. Carry, carry. I carry the laundry basket. Pick up, pick up. I pick up my clothes. Put away, put away. I put the toys away. Tidy, tidy. I tidy my room. Organize, organize. I organize my books. Make, make. I make my bed. Fix, fix. I fix the blanket. Clean, clean. I clean the table. Wash, wash. I wash my hands. Rinse, rinse. I rinse the dishes. Dry, dry. I dry the cups. Wipe, wipe. I wipe the mirror. Sweep, sweep. I sweep the floor. Mop, mop. I mop the floor. Dust, dust. I dust the shelf. Scrub, scrub. I scrub the bathroom floor. Polish, polish. I polish the table. Vacuum, vacuum. I vacuum the carpet. Shake, shake. I shake out the rug. Empty, empty. I empty the trash bin. Throw away, throw away. I throw away the trash. Recycle, recycle. I recycle plastic bottles. Fold, fold. I fold my towels. Sort, sort. I sort the clothes. Hang, hang. I hang the clothes up. Load, load. I load the washing machine. Start, start. I start the washer. Unload, unload. I unload the dishwasher. Iron, iron. I iron my shirt. Sew, sew. I sew a button. Dress, dress. I dress quickly. Brush, brush. I brush my hair. Comb, comb. I comb my hair. Bathe, bathe. I bathe my baby. Shower, shower. I shower in the morning. Wash up, wash up. I wash up after dinner. Relax, relax. I relax on the sofa. Rest, rest. I rest in my room. Cook, cook. I cook dinner. Cut, cut. I cut the carrot. Peel, peel. I peel the potato. Slice, slice. I slice the bread. Chop, chop. I chop the onions. Grate, grate. I grate the cheese. Mince, mince. I mince the meat. Crush, crush. I crush the garlic. Squeeze, squeeze. I squeeze a lemon. Boil, boil. I boil some water. Steam, steam. I steam the vegetables. Simmer, simmer. I simmer the soup. Fry, fry. I fry an egg. Deep fry, deep fry. I deep fry the chicken. Sauté, sauté. I sauté the mushrooms. Bake, bake. I bake a cake. Grill, grill. I grill the fish. Roast, roast. I roast the chicken. Toast, toast. I toast the bread. Mix, mix. I mix the salad. Stir, stir. I stir the soup. Whisk, whisk. I whisk the eggs. Knead, knead. I knead the dough. Roll out, roll out. I roll out the dough. Spread, spread. I spread butter on the bread. Dip, dip. I dip the bread in the sauce. Pour, pour. I pour some milk. Add, add. I add some salt. Season, season. I season the meat. Marinate, marinate. I marinate the beef. Mash, mash. I mash the potatoes. Blend, blend. I blend the fruit. Drain, drain. I drain the pasta. Sift, sift. I sift the flour. Sprinkle, sprinkle. I sprinkle some sugar on top. Garnish, garnish. I garnish the dish with parsley. Flip, flip. I flip the pancake. Toss, toss. I toss the salad. Serve, serve. I serve the food. Taste, taste. I taste the soup. Eat, eat. I eat breakfast at home. Drink, drink. I drink a glass of water. Cover, cover. I cover the bowl. Heat, heat. I heat the soup. Reheat, reheat. I reheat the rice. Cool, cool. I cool the tea. Store, store. I store the food in the fridge. Water, water. I water the plants. Decorate, decorate. I decorate the living room.
Which sentence do you like best? Repeat again and speak with me. Subscribe for more daily English.